Hey, railroad fans of the Cajon Pass. We're at Cajon Boulevard, Route 66 and 5th Avenue. San Bernardino, California. Got an Autorack westbound, main track number 1. About milepost 75 and a half-ish. Nice Southern Pacific there. Canadian Pacific. Canadian National. A bunch of looks like American cars. They're loaded up. All right, railroad fans of the Cajon Pass. Please subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, give us that big thumbs up. Help us out on Patreon if you can, and we love you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care, you guys. Have a great day.